Hey you guys, so it's another week, another trip to Aldi. This week is kind of, I guess you could say, boring. We don't really have anything exciting going on. It's the first week of February, so I think the Super Bowl's next Sunday. I don't know, I don't watch football. And then of course Valentine's Day, but we don't really do anything for either of those, except it's just another excuse to have yummy food. But so this week we're not, it's just a normal week. We don't have any like extra any events or anything outside of the normal, just work, life, and a few classes of taekwondo. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for dinner this week. I haven't really made a plan. I've gotten so bored of cooking the same things. I still am totally fine eating the same things because I love taco salad, and here lately I've been making a lot of crustless pizza bowls for dinner for myself and my husband too. If I make myself one, he'll whine if I don't make him one because they are so yummy. But I've just been getting so bored with just cooking. And I feel like the older you get, no matter how much you enjoy and love cooking, I think when you do it day in and day out, it starts to just get boring after a while. So hopefully I find something exciting at Aldi to make for dinner this week. I don't know. We'll see when I get there. But I'm going to head in there now. And once I get back home, I'll share everything with you guys. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, you guys, so let's get into this grocery haul. So I did pick up 2 dozen eggs, and then I picked up some more chocolate croissants for my daughter. She likes those for breakfast. And then I also picked up a loaf of the chocolate chip brioche. This is really good if you want to make French toast or just for snacking. It's really good if you put like some hazelnut spread on it. So I think I'm going to do breakfast for dinner one night this week, so we'll probably use that for French toast. I picked up a bag of the gluten-free chicken breast bites. We aren't gluten-free here, but my kids don't like a lot of breading on their chicken, so we wanted to try these to see what they were like. I got a large box of the Honey Nut knockoff Cheerios. My kids like these better than name brand Cheerios. And then I like to keep Rotini stocked. I have a big bin I keep it in because Rotini is just a very versatile noodle to me. You can use it with red sauce or Alfredo or mac and cheese or pasta salad. So Aldi has been out of it for months, so they finally had it in, so I picked some up. Picked up about 4 boxes. I got a bag of hash browns. I'm going to make some hash brown casserole for dinner this week. I got some blueberries and some baby Bella mushrooms. Picked up for snacks this week something different, so I got some of the puffed corn and then a bag of corn chips for everyone else. Then I just got 1 tomato because I actually have some on hand. And then I just got 1 avocado. He's ready to be ate, so I just went ahead and picked him up so we can have some avocado toast. Strawberries were back on sale. I was super excited. They were only $2.19 a package, so I got 3 of those and they look great. Just got 1 cucumber, a bag of sweet butter lettuce, and a bag of spinach. I'm planning to have a salad tonight for dinner because I haven't had one all week, so I'm excited for that. I got a block of extra sharp cheddar and Colby cheese. And then I picked up some smoked sausage. Probably saute that up with some veggies for dinner and serve it with rice for everyone else. We got some pepperonis. Had to get the turkey pepperonis because they were out of the regular. I like both, but I prefer regular pepperoni when I make my pizza bowls. My husband has been wanting some more trail mix, so I picked up some of the fruit and nut, and I'll add that to the mountain trail mix. And then I also picked up some of the dried mixed berries so he can add it to his granola, because him and the girls have been eating a lot of yogurt with granola here lately. So we've never tried the apple and almond, so I picked that up for them to try. Also got a bag of Italian and some cheddar cheese. And then I picked up 2 boxes of the French bread pizza for my son for like a quick lunch or snack. This was the only large container of vanilla yogurt I could find. Everything else said light, and my family doesn't like light. Then I also picked up some sliced cheddar cheese, and I saw these hash brown sticks. I thought that would be good for breakfast, for dinner for breakfast this week. We've not tried them before, but I don't think they're new. I also picked up some peanut butter and some hazelnut spread. And then I picked up a box of stevia as I was out. I already broke into it to make me some iced tea. Got 6 containers of strawberry banana yogurt, some extra fine green beans. They've been out of these for a while too, so I was excited to see them back again. And then they had these heart-shaped potato puffs. I like to do like a heart-shaped theme for dinner on Valentine's Day. We don't go out, but I like to make like a heart-themed meal. So I already have some heart-shaped pasta, and so I picked this up to have too. And then I got some milk, some apple juice, and some strawberry lemonade. So that is everything I picked up for the week, and it came in just under $125, which I'm totally okay with. Just because I was super excited about the price on the strawberries, that's nearly half the price it has been. So I hope everybody has a great week ahead, and I thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.